Richie Ruckus beat.
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy, Richie Ruckus. We are back here today. It is Saturday, November 23rd. I have a brand new sneaker pickup. I'm going to hit you with that unboxing, that review, and we're going to do it on foot. And I'm going to be hitting you with probably four videos back to back over the next 4 days. I have a slew of sneaker pickups. I have two that I absolutely have to get uploaded to you today and one tomorrow. And then there's probably 4 or 5 other pair of sneakers that are probably going to just get combined into other videos and get uploaded on Monday and Tuesday. But the pair we're going to dive into today is a pair of sneakers I absolutely had to get my hands on. When images first leaked, I knew it was a pair that I had to add to my collection. I have a ton of sneakers already in this sneaker model, but I felt like this colorway, this updated version, if you would, of the sneaker was necessary for me. So I'm not going to take up too much more of your guys' time. We're going to dive right into this. Without further ado, you know why you're here. You know the drill. Let's get a glimpse of these Warlocks. We have the Yeezy 500 in the stone colorway. And like I said, it was a pair of sneakers that I absolutely had to get my hands on. I know the Yeezy 500 is kind of becoming a little bit redundant with colorways being so similar to each other. And just off the first look, these look like a combination of the blush and supermoon yellow. I feel like most Yeezy 500s kind of all resemble each other, with, you know, the outlier being the Soul Vision pair, which I absolutely love. You guys have seen me do a review on them a couple videos back. But Kanye and Adidas kind of updated the model a little bit. Instead of having the mesh netting, we kind of have more of a neoprene type material. Same with the tongue. And as far as the rest of the aesthetics of the sneaker, it's pretty much the same. You got a ton of brushed suede throughout the upper, and that same Adidas sole, and no boost. The Boost boys love to knock these, but I gotta be honest, out of all my Yeezys, I feel like, with maybe the exception of the Wave Runner, and I do have my Inertia 700s on right now, I feel like the 500 is my go-to model. If I'm just running somewhere and I want the sneaker that can go with any type of pant, any type of fit you're throwing together, the 500 I feel like is the one I'm always grabbing. I feel like with the 350 V2s, you got to have the right kind of pants on. 700s, I guess you could probably pull off with any kind of pant. You know, with the Wave Runner being probably my most worn 700, I feel like the tongue on them, you kind of have to have the right pant on. Like the 350 V2, I feel like you can't pull off baggy pants. The 700, I guess you could go skinny or a more tapered fit or a baggy type pant. But I feel like the 500 is like the perfect pair to throw on no matter what type of fit you got going on. If you're just running to the grocery store, running to the mall, going out to the club to try to flex on somebody, I feel like the 500 is the best model to go with. And like I said, I know people absolutely loathe the lack of boost in this sneaker, but I myself find it to be comfortable. The Adidas technology has been around for ages. It kind of has the same bottom as the Kobe Bryant Crazy 8. You know, from the Adidas Feet You Wear campaign, then ultimately it's just been again revisited with the Boost You Wear. And like I said, the comfort's there, the style's there, aesthetically pleasing. The only thing about the 500, the updated version of the 500 that we're seeing here on the stone model, is the tongue. I do like it. I'm not going to lie, I like the tongue. I kind of miss the pull tab that you have on the traditional 500 silhouette, and I'm interested to see if this is going to be the direction they go moving forward with the 500 line, or if we're going to go back to more of the similar type structure and build that we've had on all the prior models. I haven't put these on foot yet, so I'm interested to see if with this neoprene, if it's going to be a different fit, if it's going to be a more comfortable ride, you know, a less comfortable ride. And we're going to get into all that once we do the on foot. So we're going to go do the on foot, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back And since it's an updated, newer type upper, and we don't really know what we're getting into, I'm going to do the on foot, and then I'm going to come back and give you guys my honest opinion on how they feel on foot and how they feel versus the rest of the 500 series. So we're going to go do this on foot. I will be back with my initial reaction to the new updated Yeezy 500 Stone. Let go.
The number you have reached, 911, has been changed.
Guys, so my initial reaction is that the ride is a little bit smoother. The neoprene you can definitely feel up against the inner and outer part of your foot. The comfort is definitely there, and I feel like everybody who's a fan of the Yeezy 500, regardless of colorway, just the overall aesthetics and build and comfort of the sneaker, I feel like you should go grab these. And they're actually not, surprisingly, with it being an updated version of the silhouette, they're not reselling for a crazy price. So if you're able to go get your hands on a pair right now, I think most sneaker places, I do believe, are sold out. But I do believe that StockX, like at least I checked, let's just check my sizing. It's not too much over retail. And it's $215 on release day. So let's give it a go right now for what the resale is commanding on these in my size right now. Stone going for $240, so $40 over retail, and as far as I'm concerned, it's a steal. The $200 price point on these is probably my biggest draw to this sneaker. The Wave Runner, the Yeezy 700, you're paying the $300 price tag. The 350 V2, you're paying that $220 price tag. I feel like in 2019 going into 2020, $200 for this pair of sneakers, in my opinion, is a bargain, and it's not something that should cause someone hesitation on whether or not they should grab this pair. Like I said, guys, I'm going to be back with a ton of more videos the rest of this week. I hope you enjoyed this breakdown. I hope you enjoyed the on foot. And last but not least, I hope you guys enjoyed my initial reaction to this updated silhouette of the Yeezy 500. I'll be back tomorrow with another video, but until then, I'm Richie Ruckus. Peace!
Richie Ruckus.